Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the right mindset for affiliate marketing. Because before you start affiliate marketing, it's important that you have the right idea about it before you even get started, because there's so many people that go into it with the wrong ideas and they end up failing way too soon. Alright, so stick around. We'll be right back here in just a few seconds and we'll get started right on that. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kevin Lehner with freedommotivator.com, and like I told you in the intro, I'm going to show you give you some ideas on how to have the right mindset going into affiliate marketing if you're planning on starting affiliate marketing up anytime soon for yourself. There's so many people that go into it with the wrong mindset and the wrong ideas, and that's not a good thing for them anyway. So first of all, if this is your first time to my video, or you've been here before to my channel and on my videos and you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please reach down there below and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when we upload new videos, which we do pretty regularly here. Okay, and also if this is your first time to my video or to the channel, what we do here is we do affiliate marketing videos, how-to videos, general value videos, and anything to do with making money online videos to help you out. And once in a while we'll throw in a motivational video for you too. Okay, all right, great. Well, with that out of the way, let's get started in today's content here. I've seen so many people, it seems like that they begin their trek in affiliate marketing and they give up way too soon. I think a lot of it is because they don't have the right mindset going in. They're going in with the wrong ideas. And I've created a little mock-up here of what I have on my WordPad here, and a little bit of a list here to go by here today in this video. Now, it's what I'm going to tell you today is the proper way, the proper idea to have about affiliate marketing, ideas to have about it, because so many people go in with the wrong ideas and they're looking for a quick buck or quick success, and that type of stuff just doesn't exist. So it's important that you have the right mindset about it to begin with. So what I'm telling you here today is the truth. There's no fluff, no bullshit, no lies, no nothing. This is exactly what I'm telling you is what you're going to need to know, or the ideas you're going to need to have to succeed, okay, and to be prosperous in your affiliate marketing. Now, the number one thing is you don't want to pick cheap products. A lot of people will go to like ClickBank or JVZoo or someplace like that, and they'll pick a product to promote, get their links to promote with, and then they'll go out and they'll paste those links all over the internet, hoping that they're going to get a sale. And it just doesn't work like that. You need to have some things set up to begin with. There's things that you need to do in the process to get people to buy from you. First of all, they got to know, like, and trust you, right? That's the first thing. So how do you do that? Well, one thing is you don't want to pick cheap products. You want to pick good products, and sometimes it may take you investing in your business. In fact, you are going to invest in your business because you're going to need these things here. You're going to pick good quality products that help solve someone's problem, right? Whether it's in health and wellness, wealth, or relationships, which are the three top niches, and there's many sub niches underneath those three top niches. Doesn't matter what product you picked, but it should be a good product. You should have researched it before you offer it to your customers, all right, and make sure that it solves a problem for them, whether it's something they have to do, something they have to consume, something that they have to create, or whatever, something that they have to do that will solve their problem that you're trying to help them with. That's the main thing. You don't want to buy nothing cheap. All right. Now, You're going to be willing to invest in your business. First thing you're going to need is you're going to need funnel building software. You can get that through like ClickFunnels or Lead Pages or places like that. Or if you want to do it a little bit cheaper, there's a way to do that too. And that involves you having a WordPress blog. And you can get many funnel builder software to install on your WordPress blog or landing page software on your blog or your WordPress website, and you can create your funnels, your sales funnels, and have them hosted on your server where your WordPress website is hosted. That's a way to save a little bit of money there. But other than that, you're going to need to invest in ClickFunnels or Lead Pages, and there's many other ones out there. If you just do a Google search, you'll find funnel building programs or websites. And it may take a little bit of money to do that. I know ClickFunnels starts out at $97 a month for that. You're going to need an autoresponder. See, a lot of people think that they don't realize that they need to collect email addresses, because the saying is the money is in the list, and that's a true thing. So you need to be collecting email addresses at the front of your funnel or somewhere in your funnel. You need to collect people's email address and then give them something for free for that. Something valuable for free, like maybe an ebook. It may be some training that you've done on video or something along that line. So to give you want to collect their email address, and then you begin building a relationship with them through your autoresponder, and you can then begin to make money just from a list. You can offer a product. If they like you and trust you, pretty much will buy anything that you send them through an email. Okay, so that's how you make a lot of money there. Most money is made in affiliate marketing from your mailing list. So don't be cheap. You need to get an autoresponder just for your business. Okay, there's no other way around that. You're not going to be successful in affiliate marketing unless you're collecting email addresses along the way. All right. You want to have a good traffic source. That could include like building up free traffic through like YouTube or Facebook or something like that. If you have a clientele on Facebook or Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, you have a lot of following there, you can get some traffic from that. Or you can do paid traffic through like Facebook or Google AdWords or Bing paid traffic. There's YouTube advertising too that's paid. So you're going to have to invest a little money. If you're not willing to invest a little bit of money into your business or into yourself, you're not ready to start affiliate marketing. You're just not even ready to begin it. So that's one right mindset to have right there. One idea is to make sure that you'll be willing to invest a little bit of money to get your business off the ground. I mean, after all, think about it. You know, let's say if you wanted to start a hardware store, you're going to be able to do that without any money? Is somebody going to buy the building for you and they're going to buy all the supplies for you and all of your product and all that? It's not going to happen like that. You're going to have to be willing to invest a little bit of money in yourself to get your business off the ground. It's the same thing with affiliate marketing. There's no shortcuts. Okay, we'll get to that here in just a moment. You want to get some tracking software. You want to be able to track your clicks and your traffic, where your traffic's coming from. One of those is ClickMagick here. ClickMagick is a good place where you can have all your clicks, wherever their traffic is, where your clicks are coming from, and know where they're coming. That way you can scale up, you can split test, so on and so forth, and find out which one is the best, like a funnel, using different funnels with this, and find out which is the best funnel to use, get you the most return on your investment, right? And ClickFunnels or ClickMagick prices begin at $12 for up to 10,000 clicks a month. And that's paid annually, but if you want their monthly price, it's $17. So that's pretty well within most people's affordability, I think, right there. All right, so clickmagick.com is where you can check that out at, okay? All right, and then back to what we're talking about. The number two thing is you got to realize that there's no shortcuts. There are no shortcuts. Shortcuts don't exist. There's no such thing as an overnight success. Ever has or ever will be. Be willing to build out your business over the long haul. It takes a long time to build a business. But if you're serious about it, you'll be able to do that. If you're not serious and you're looking for something to be built and done within 2 months, well, good luck with that. Let me know how that works for you, because it takes time to build a business. Okay, just keep that in mind. You need to have that mindset. All right, and then the number 3 thing here is you want to be committed to learning. Always continuously be learning all the time. Okay, and the number 1 thing to learn is how to market. Is you want to learn how to market to products that you have. Without knowing how to market, you're just dead in the water. You've got this product, you got these ideas, you got your autoresponder, your funnel builder, and all that. But if you don't know how to use it or how to market, it's not going to be any benefit to you. It's not going to help you at all. Okay. All right. So number 1 thing to learn is how to market. Without it, there's no need to even start affiliate marketing. Now, if you click the link down below in the description of the video, you'll see down there where it says mentorwithkev.com. When you click that link, you'll go through over to my landing page, put your email address in, then go to my bonus page, and you'll see that I've got 7 bonuses there for you worth over $3,600. And the first bonus is about how to reprogram your mindset. How to reprogram your mind for success. That's important. That's why I have it number 1 bonus. And then there's 7 other ones that will help you that all have to do with affiliate marketing. But what you want is an education. You need the skills and the training on how. Excuse me. Apologize. I'm still fighting this cold or lung infection I had 3 weeks ago. But anyways, apologize for that. Go there and once you get into my bonus page, you go through that, you'll see a video there. And it talks about the affiliate business that I'm involved in. But what I sell is marketing education, university degree in online affiliate marketing. So go on through that, take a look at Legendary Marketer, where you can get all the education and the skills and the training that you need to know how to market affiliate marketing. Okay? So that's pretty much what I had for you today, guys. Excuse me. Apologize for that. Pretty much what I had for you today. So yeah, click that link down there below in the description. Down there where it says mentorwithkev.com. Got plenty of other videos down there to help you out as well too. And I'll have some links down there too to some of this other stuff. Click Magic and so on and so forth. Yeah, I showed you there. So I'm going to let you go with that. Just wanted to give you some ideas on how to have the right mindset before you even begin with affiliate marketing. Okay? I'll let you go, guys, and I'll see you here in another day or 2 on the next video. Okay? You guys, hopefully I'll be better. I won't be coughing as much. It seems to be getting a little bit better, but all righty, guys. Thanks a lot. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye now.